Hey there, it's Andre from Landau Securities. I'd like to talk to you about FTM. You see, FTM is a totally different way of investing. It's a way that you can achieve consistent returns irrespective of market condition. To give you an idea of how different FTM is from mainstream markets, we're up around 5.6% for the year so far, while the Dow was down 2.6% year to date, and if you took it from its highs in April, around 9.8% down. FTM stands for Futures, Term Deposits and Medical Accounts Receivables. The reason we're so different is we're able to structure a portfolio that is 100% capital secured for 6 months of the year. That means for 6 months of the year, it doesn't matter what the market's doing. You still continue to make consistent returns. For the other 6 months of the year, the maximum risk to the portfolio is 20%. But even that 20% is misleading because the reality of it is the largest monthly loss has been 2.06%. Even more important is FTM has never ever had a negative 12-month period. FTM is based on existing investments with measurable track records going back to 1996. You see, after the global financial crisis, which pretty much caught me unawares, I went back and looked at every single investment that we'd used in the brokerage to see which ones worked under what conditions. What I found was there was two particular investments that we used that could make money irrespective of market direction. And in fact, during times of heightened volatility, one of those investments actually did very, very well. So this is what led to the creation of FTM. The way it works, and the genius behind it, so to speak, is that we have 75% of the portfolio in medical accounts receivables. Now these are secured at a rate of 3 to 1. For every $1 that we have in that portfolio, in that part of it, we have $3 worth of receivables as security. On top of that, we have 5% held in cash, and the other 20%, depending on the time of year, is either sitting in cash as well or in the futures. Combining this together, we're able to create a portfolio that targets annualised returns of 12%. And more importantly, if you had been an FTM from the height of the Dow in October 07 till now, we have outperformed the Dow by a whopping 118%. We missed the flash crash of May and this volatility that's happened so far, all while basically ticking along at close to 1% a month. So if you're looking for a way to take the lump out of your throat, to basically take the worry out of your investments and to put your retirement on autopilot, then you really need to take a serious look at FTM. I urge you to go to the website www.ftmmutual.com, have a look at the PowerPoint presentation, have a look at the fact sheet, the prospectus, and the other information that's there. Because quite frankly, if you're looking for a way to produce consistent returns irrespective of market condition or direction, I don't really think there is much else out there that can rival FTM.